Hello, this is a sew along type tutorial of Modern Quilt Club's Pillow One kit. You basically pick your own colourway and then they send you a pattern with pre-cut pieces that work perfectly together for some seriously mindful sewing and a perfect pillow to finish. This is the Rex colourway from the Wild West Mystery Quilt collection, which is in Libs, Elliott, Verdigris collection. I hope I'm saying that right. I absolutely love it, and I'll be starting a mystery quilt kit very soon. For now, here's my shot at a YouTube video. Our first two steps are creating the corner blocks. So we're to join A to either side of E and E to either side of G as 3 strips, then join them together to create in the block, using the arrows to press the seams in the right direction so then they nest together, creating sharp corners, hopefully. So I'm going to do one example of the A to E, one example of the E either side of G, and then I am going to chain piece the rest of them. So A and E, better make sure that you have your 1/4 inch foot ready and on. And if you're not quite sure, then give it a quick measure before you start and get going on that, but that's a perfect 1/4 inch. It's a setting, a quilt setting on the genome. So then we've done one A on one side, A on the other side, and then it's showing to press the seam towards the A. Two, one there. So the seams there are pressed towards A. So that is that block, and you're wanting to do 10 of those, and then E either side of G. So E, either side of G, if I can pick it up. Like this. Just remembered I have the foot thread cutter there. So that's our E either side of G, and it's showing to press the seams towards G. So towards the centre. And there we go, block, press towards the centre, and it wants us to do 5 of those. Okay, so there we are. We have 10 of step 1, 5 of step 2. Step 3, join a step 1 unit above and below a step 2 unit to make 5 blocks. So these are all 4 corners and the center of the finished pillow. So because we have ironed the seams in the direction as instructed, the blocks will come together very neatly as the seams nest together. You can feel while you're sewing, just rub your finger along and you can feel that the seams have nested. These are to be pressed outwards from the centre, so the centre block is the green. So I'll just show you this. So we are pressing up towards the top block. Once you press those, the seams are perfectly nested and perfectly straight. Put another block on the bottom, same thing. You can feel with your fingers where they are nested together. Because all the blocks have been cut for you, they're all perfectly sized. While you're using your 1/4 inch foot and pressing as you go, you are guaranteed a perfect block, as there's nowhere for it to mess up. And there's your block. So we want to do 5 of these. We are going to join rectangles B, D above B above H, and it will create a 6.5 inch block, and these are to go between the other blocks around the other block. And these are pressed towards the centre. So let's do that. Now we have our step 4 block. Okay, so step 5, we are joining a step 3 unit to either side of a step 4 unit. So that would be 1, and then 1 either side, and you want to do that twice. So it will be like that. And you are again making sure that when you join the blocks together, you nest your seams for crisper points. Step 6 is joining the blocks either side of a unit 3 in this direction, as you can see when you put that one on the top and the bottom, to create the centre. And then we have the centre block, well, the centre strip, should I say, done. So that's step 6. Step 7 is to join the units together. So we'd have sewing together along the top and along the bottom. Let's take them to the sewing machine. And here we go. Top and bottom rows joined to a centre row, pressed outwards. Step 7 done. Step 8, the last of the steps, is to join edge pieces. So obviously we go for the shorter side first and then the longer side second, piecing outwards. So we have our short edges there. We're going to go one either side and then top and bottom, and then we're done. And there we are. Clue 8, borders added, and the pillowcase is finished. So that's Pillow One from Modern Quilt Club.